And I'm Carly.
And we're twins in Toronto. And today we are at Nature's Bounty again.
So remember last year when we did that video, we came here and I think the video was called like Pumpkins, Apples, and Sheep or something. I don't remember.
Something like that.
Anyway, so we're back and we're of course going to pick some apples and
Maybe do some pumpkins.
get some pumpkins. And then we are definitely going to go see that sheep.
The sheep.
Yes.
Yes. But before we get on to the video, make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And if you do those things, you'll become part of our twin family. Okay, let's get right on to the video.
Sheep, and then over there is a llama that's like, it's
That one kind of looks like
the llama's sitting down, and then look at all these sheep.
Yeah.
Oh, I am.
Hello.
Oh, I didn't know.
Hello. Would you like a face shot? Here it is.
This is so adorable.
Are you allowed to just pick the corn?
Look, it's eating corn. It's so cute. So cute. It's just like sitting down. Now I guess we're gonna go pick some corn and feed it to them because apparently there. There you go.
You can eat the corn. What?
There you go.
Yeah, hold it differently. There you go.
There.
You got there.
Look, they both want it. Oh my gosh! Ah, this is scary. This is scary. Oh, there you go. Oh my god.
Starting to fight.